Look closely. There are no pipes here, no deep wells, and not a single cloud in the sky for days. Yet, if you listen, you can hear it, a steady, rhythmic drip of water falling into a collector. It has been doing this all night, and it hasn't stopped. This isn't magic. It's pure, drinkable water harvested directly from the thin air. And the best part? The device producing it cost me exactly $12 to assemble. This isn't some high-tech, secret invention. It's a piece of forgotten engineering that communities in the mountains of Morocco and the deserts of Chile have relied on for generations. The reason you probably haven't heard of this is simple. It works too well and costs too little for anyone to sell it to you at a premium. But you've seen the science your whole life. It's the condensation on a cold glass in the summer. It's the morning dew on the grass. We're simply taking that natural phenomenon and scaling it up. Every breath of air around you holds invisible water. To catch it, you just need to reach the dew point, that specific temperature where the air touches a surface and is forced to let go of its moisture. We are building a massive surface area, angled against the breeze, using gravity to pull those microscopic droplets down into a single stream. Think about this. At any given moment, the atmosphere holds over 37 quadrillion gallons of fresh water. That's more than all the rivers on Earth combined, just floating above our heads. Most people ignore it. We are going to harvest it. The assembly is straightforward. You need a 6 by 6 foot shade cloth. The tighter the weave, the better. This mesh does the heavy lifting. You'll also need 4 sections of 1-inch PVC pipe for the frame, some plastic zip ties, and a basic gutter for the reservoir. Total cost between $10 and $14. No special tools required. The biggest mistake people make is placing the screen flat. If it's flat, the water just sits there and evaporates when the sun hits. You must tilt it. Aim for a 15 to 30 degree angle. Let gravity be your worker. Position it to face the wind directly. You want the air moving through the mesh, not around it. On my first night, in average humidity and cool temperatures, I collected over ½ liter. In coastal areas or places with morning fog, you can easily pull 2 liters or more from a single unit. Scale it up and you're covering the daily needs of a family without a single utility bill or permission from anyone. Since this water never touches the ground, it's remarkably clean. But to be safe, especially in urban areas, a simple $3 DIY filter made with layers of cotton, activated charcoal, and fine sand will handle any dust or pollutants. A quick boil, and you have water that is likely purer than what comes out of a city tap. Take a moment to reflect on this knowledge. It's ancient. From the Incas to Bronze Age desert dwellers, humanity has always known how to drink from the wind. We just forgot because the tap was easier. But now, that knowledge is back in your hands. You don't have to wait for the rain anymore. You can start harvesting your own future, one drop at a time.